Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer battle.net game install folders safely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer battle.net game install folders safely, start by closing the battle.net application. Make sure that all games are fully closed and that the client is not running in the background. Locate the folder where the battle.net games are currently installed. This is usually found in your main drive, under Program Files or Program Files, x86, in the battle.net directory. Once you find the folder, right-click on it and select Copy. Now, navigate to the new location where you want to move your games. This could be a different drive or folder on your computer. In the new location, right-click and choose Paste to begin transferring the files. After the copying process is complete, head back to the original folder and delete the copied files from there. Next, open the battle.net client again. Once it loads, go to the game that you've just moved. Click on the Options drop-down menu next to the Play button. Choose Game Settings from the menu. In the Game Settings, look for the option that allows you to change the install location. Click on Browse to navigate to the new location where you pasted the game files. Select the folder that contains the game and click Select Folder. The battle.net client will now recognize the existing game files. You may need to click the Scan and Repair option to ensure everything is working correctly. Wait for the client to verify the files, which should only take a few minutes. Once the verification is complete, you can launch the game from the battle.net client. This process ensures that your game files are transferred safely without any loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.